And now I want to talk about the glove stocks, guys. The glove stocks. So we talk about the motherland for gloves, which is Malaysia. So we talk about the Supermax, which is the Bursa company. Now, this is the Bursa company, a stock listed in Malaysia. Supermax, Top Glove, Hatta Liga, they are the top 3 glove manufacturer in the world. In the world. Okay, so Supermax, you can see that last week, okay, it has been surviving at this 6 ringgit, finally broke this 6 ringgit, and now we are looking at 3 ringgit very soon. I draw this 3 ringgit. That time I did an extensive analysis on Supermax and derived this 3 ringgit support. 没想到 1 week time we are almost there. Okay, now what has this got to do with the Singapore Riverstone, Metex, UG Healthcare? It has a lot to do with it. Okay, because the two company UG Healthcare and Riverstone both are earning ringgit. Okay, so they are also supplying to the Malaysia industry. So you can see Hatta is also one ton. So this sector is quite bearish, I would say. Top Glove. Now, Top Glove is also listed in the Singapore exchange. So this is the one 7113 is the Bursa one. You can see it's coming down. When you see the Top Glove in the Singapore one, it is also coming down. 看到了没有? Okay, so I do not think, how do I put it? Okay, let me show you UG first. Okay, this is a very, very important message to all you glove lovers out there in the Singapore market. Okay, later I'll show you one chart. So this is UG. You can see that it follows the Malaysia one in tandem, all coming down. Okay, Riverstone as well. Okay, you can see that. See, I have already drawn this downtrend line, preparing to buy this Riverstone, but it keep resisted by this downtrend line and unable to break higher. Okay, so it looks like this one actually Riverstone is still quite resilient, but if the whole sector, glove sector, is not moving up, then it's very difficult to be bullish. The whole sector gonna whack. Right, then the next one will be Metex. I saw someone ask me to talk about Metex, right? Okay, once I open a chart, you can see selling. You can see selling. Now, let me explain to you. If you see white candle, okay, now this is bullish. This is bullish, okay? Strong white candle with very high volume means buying, buyer coming into the stock. Okay, very bullish. Now, this is exactly what ISDN is doing. Okay, it is exactly what ISDN doing. So we want to see what happens next. So you can see Metex, what happened next. Take a look. Take a look. Can you see high volume selling, black candle? Okay, so if by the next candle, if you see continuing selling, now see high volume, unable to close high. This is not normal. This is not normal. What you want to see whenever you see a strong white candle is this low volume pullback. Then you know the stock has got chance to go higher because the buyers over here in the white candle did not sell. Buyer over here did not sell. This one buyer likely already sold. You can see the volume so high. Also, usually when you see long white candle, you don't expect the volume to be high and yet the price doesn't go up. Okay, so as the price stuck at this level, you can see that high volume again. So can you imagine this is P and D? You know what's P and D, guys? P and D? P for Penang, D for Denmark. Do you know what's P and D? Rigadio, 真厉害 Rigadio, pump and dump, 係啦 give you a like, 哇厲害咧 Jessica Kong also know, pump and dump 厲害 So whenever you see a high volume white candle and yet the price with high volume cannot go up, very suspicious guy, very suspicious guys. Okay, so after that you see pom come down already. So this is all the retailer hamblang, all the smart money all start to dump, right? So this stock confirm buyer in control no buyer in control, you understand? No buyer in control. Long black candle means seller. Okay, and then you see Union Gas. If you see Union Gas, you understand. Okay, Union Gas. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Okay, white candle, high volume. 2 days never go up, but take a look at the volume. It is low. So this is what is considered normal. And then when volume comes back in, it is going up. It is going up when the volume comes back in. It is going up. Okay, so this is normal. So just now the Metex is no longer normal. It is bearish, guys. It is bearish. Metex. Okay, bearish. You flip to the weekly chart. 冇眼睇啊，真係冇眼睇。So these glove stocks, healthcare stocks, they are up because of the pandemic. They are up because of pandemic. There's strong demand for their medical supplies. But the pandemic, as we know, since September last year, already starts to get better. More vaccine is out. Now we have got a third. Okay, if you don't consider the China ones, right, and the Russian ones, right, based on the US, we already have 3 vaccine approved by FDA. Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, Pfizer. 3. Okay, if you you want to talk about China one, Sinovac. If you want to talk about Russian one, Sputnik or Sputnik, I can't remember the pronunciation. So we got we got 5 vaccines out in the world, going around. So within the next 6 months, they are saying next 6 months, okay, we should make a big step in terms of recovery. That is why all the SIA, blue chips, banks, everything is going up. Okay, so glove stocks, healthcare stock, can they still go up? All of them are reporting very good earnings. Very good earnings. Okay, you can see their earnings over here. Okay, very strong earnings spike. But question is, going forward, market is expecting their earnings to slow down. Okay, average selling price of their supplies, the masks, the gloves, okay, is going to slow down. Because a lot of company also jump into the bandwagon and start to produce all these consumables. Okay, so now with such a large supply and inflation rate going down, less consumption, they expect the average selling price to be down. Therefore, their earnings is expected to slow down. So they will no longer command, like for example, Matex $2 anymore. Okay, so although you see that it's a profitable company, yeah, but it will not go back to the former high because the peak is over. Right, this is about this healthcare and glove stock. Now the stock that I want to remind everybody here is Costco shipping. Now before it's called Costco shipping, guys, it is called Costco Corp last time. Those old members are as old as me will remember fondly that it is called Costco Corp last time. It is the brother of Yang Zhijiang. Together they do ship repair and shipbuilding. Okay, now what happened in 2007? This is the peak. Now it's doing only 20 cents, guys. 20 cents. Last time it was a $7, $8 stock. No, $7, $8 stock. You can see from here. $7 stock. Okay, through dividend now become 7 plus. If last time you traded the all-time high about $8 plus. During the 2006, 2007, this big rally is because the China economy grew by double-digit percentage, very strong GDP growth, and therefore there are a lot of transfer of goods, shipbuilding, the business cycle for shipbuilding was there. So Costco and Yang Zhijiang both listed in the Singapore Exchange benefited. Their share price went up a lot. Costco Corp from 80 cents, I remember about 80 cents, run all the way to $8. It was a darling of the stock market. Those of you who was there, okay, during 2006, 2007, comment me. If you remember Costco Corp, comment me. Let's show all these youngsters that we old birds are there. Comment me if you are there watching Costco Corp at $8 that time. So those of you who are not there at that time, right, this is a lesson to you. Once the ship repairing cycle, business cycle is over, there goes Costco Corp. Look at the share price. It starts to fall. Fall until breaking into a lot of people okay, they may argue that, hey, this is the crisis, 2008 crisis, okay lah. But after that, will recover, bro. Some people say, never mind lah, good company, I buy and hold. I buy and hold. And because I saw DT say still baby when Costco $8. 夸张. Okay, so Costco Corp, some people hold, right? They say that never mind, good company will come back one, I hold. Okay, so 2009, you hold until now, that time was about 180, 2009 is about 180. Okay, 2009 is about, okay, about 120. You hold and you hold and you hold until now 20 cents. Got go up or not? Can you see? Got go up or not? It did not even go up. Never mind. It even changed its business from ship repairing to become marine logistics. Okay. So therefore, this lesson learned in Costco Corp because of the very strong business cycle. Okay, let me open up side by side now. Okay, let me open up side by side. So I want to show you UG lah. Use UG. UG more scary. UG chart more scary. Okay. Now this is COVID. This is COVID. Okay. Now this is Costco Cup. This is Costco Corp. So during the very good time, the business cycle time, Costco Corp make a lot of money, share price keep going higher. Yes, same as UG. Once the business cycle is over, Costco Corp starts to drop until Holland. So UG Healthcare, will it drop until Holland? Question is, I think you shouldn't use your money to test. Am I right? If you agree with me, comment yes.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel.